QK1232 CNC pipe threading lathe. The lathe has a forged double station chuck. The maximum passable bar diameter is 320 mm, that's 12.6 inches. The lathe guide weight is 755 mm, 6-ton load capacity. Equipped with a 4-position electric turret. FANUC CNC system for this lathe. And equipped with an electric tailstock. Automatic lubricant pump. The lathe is equipped with a chip tray. Electrical cabinet. Our lathe has side protection to ensure safety. All our lathes have 1 full year overseas warranty. If you are interested in our lathe, please contact us.